Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. This is the 17th week of online classes. So let's start with the great name of Allah Almighty. Grade 6 subject Mathematics chapter 9 pages 205 till 212 we are going to cover in this video. Date is 7 July and here I am your teacher Saima Raza. Learning objectives of this video are: what is ratio? Real life applications of ratio, equivalent ratios, and fourth thing, ratios involving three quantities. And 5, we are going to solve the exercise 9a. What is ratio? In mathematics, a ratio indicates how many times one number contains another. For example, if there are 8 oranges and 6 lemons in a bowl of fruit, then the ratio of oranges to lemons is 8 to 6. That can be written like 8:6. Similarly, the ratio of lemons to oranges is 6:8. Ratio is denoted by using the symbol like two dots. You can see that this is the symbol of ratio. Real life applications of ratio. For example, he is Ali and he is J. Ali is having 2 chocolates and J is having 3 chocolates. You can write it like 2:3 or you can say that 2/3. If we are going to multiply 2 and the same 2 is going to be multiplied with the chocolate of J, 2 2s are 4. It means that Ali is having 4 chocolates and 2 3s are 6. So it means that J is having 6 chocolates. You can write it like in the ratio 4:6 or 4/6. With the same number 2:3, if we multiply 3 like 2 3s is 6, it means that Ali is having 6 chocolates and 3 3s are 9. It means that J is having 9 chocolates. So the ratio can be written 6:9 or you can write it 6/9. The first that we have done the ratio, the comparison was 2/3. The second term was 4/6 and the third one is 6/9. These all are called the terms of ratio. 2/3, 4/6 and 6/9 are the terms of the ratio. Always remember that when we compare the two quantities in the terms of how many times, this comparison is known as a ratio. Now we are going to learn ratios involving three quantities. For example, there is a real life application or example of the ratio involving three quantities. At a bakery, there are 16 cupcakes, 8 donuts, and 24 cookies. Find the ratio of cupcakes to the donuts to cookies in its simplest form. So you can see over here that they have given us the figure 16 cupcakes, 8 donuts and 24 cookies. So we are going to write it as a ratio like 16:8:24 and it can be simplified with the table 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. This is the simplest form of these three quantities ratio. There is another example of the same ratios involving three quantities. The example is: find the ratio of green cubes to yellow cubes to blue cubes. You can see there are some cubes but they are having different colors. You can see yellow is having 2, green is having 6 and blue is having 8 colors. So you can write it as a ratio 6 ratio 2 ratio 8, and these can be simplified by the table 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and this is the answer of these three quantities ratio 3 ratio 1 ratio 4. Now we are going to start the exercise 9a, that is on the page number 212. Question number 1 is there. Simplify each of the following. A part is there, 1.5 kilogram ratio 350 gram. Before solving these questions, first of all we have to change these unit. The units are different, that is kilogram and that is gram. That should also be gram. For solving these, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So these 1.5 is going to be multiplied with the 1000, and that will be 1500. And the question was at 1.5 kilogram divided by 350 gram. So you can write it like 1500 gram divided by 350 gram. Now the units are same, so you can simplify it with the table 3 with the table 5. Table 5, 5 3 is a 15, and the 0 and 0 of the numerator and denominator is going to be cancelled over here. So in the denominator you are having only 35. So 5 7s are 35. The answer is 13 ratio 7. B part is there, that is also on the page number 212, and the question is 15 divided by 24 ratio 9 divided by 7. For solving these, first of all we have to take the LCM of 24 and 7, that will be 168. So you can write 168 with these fraction and ratio sign the same fraction 9/7 into 168. When you will calculate these three numbers, numerator 15 is going to be multiplied with the 168 divided by the 24, you will get 105. And when you will calculate these three numbers, you will get 216. Furthermore, that can be simplified with the table 3. 3 3 is a 9, 1 carry to the 5, that will be 15, 3 5 is a 15. The same that will be simplified with the table 3. 3 7 is a 21, 3 2 is a 6. That is the answer. C part is there, 0.45 ratio 0.85. They are having decimal. We have to remove these decimal. So for removing these decimals, we have to multiply these both numbers with the 100. That is 0.45 into 100, 0.85 into 100. When you multiply these both numbers, you will get 45 ratio 85. And you can simplify it with the table 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, 3 will carry with the 5, that will be 35, 3, so 5 7s are 35 answer. D part is there, that are having units, 580 milliliter ratio 1.12 liter 104 milliliter. You can see that the first one and the last one are having the same unit, but the middle one is having the different unit. So you have to change these unit. That is 1.12 liter, and that should be in milliliter. So you have to multiply these number with 1000. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So that after multiplying you will get 1120. So the units are now same. You can calculate or you can simplify it. So with the table 4, 580 is going to be divided by the 4, you will get 145, and 1120 is going to be divided by the 4, you will get 280. And 104 is going to be divided by the 4, you will get 26. So this is the answer of D. E part is there, 2/3 ratio 3/2 ratio 5/8. For solving these, first of all, you have to take the LCM of these three denominators. You will get 24. This you have to write these 24 with these three fractions separately. So you have to calculate these three numbers. You will get 16, and 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 24, you will get 36, and 5 multiplied by 24 divided by 8, you will get 15 answer. F part is there, it is having decimal, it is also like the same. The C part was there, 0.33 ratio 0.63 ratio 1.8. For solving these, you have to remove these decimal points and you have to multiply with the 100. 0.33 multiplied by 100, 0.63 multiplied by 100, and 1.8 multiplied by 100. You will get 33, 63, and 180. For simplifying these, we are going to with the table 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, and 3 6 are 18. 0 will be the same. That is the answer of F. Now we are having the homework for the NEET notebook and exercise 9A, that is on the page number 212. Question number 1, all parts, and you have to keep practicing. So best of luck, try your best, take care, Allah Hafiz.